Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Hello everyone, you're welcome again to our YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a cool product review like this. At the end of this video, you will learn how to shoot and edit the same way I did. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I did was to record my water bottle on the screen. I made sure the shot was perfect for the cool effect I'm about to do. For a seamless shot, make sure your phone is placed on the tripod stand. After getting the perfect shot, then I made sure I recorded my backdrop without any object in the frame. After this, I recorded my hand coming into the frame to review the next product. On the same shot angle, I recorded the product that we are about to review in this video. Make sure you get the perfect shots before you proceed into CapCut. Now let's import all our projects. Import your water bottle or whatever you want to use in your own video. Then import the product that you want to review. Now let's import the clip of our hand to review the product. Make sure the revealing time matches with the cut or the interval in between the bottle and the product that we want to review. That matters a lot. Next, select the clip, the hand revealing clip, and hit remove background to remove the background. You can use auto remover or custom remover. It depends on what works for you. For me, I love to use custom remover. Now you highlight only the hand parts and it will automatically highlight everything for you. Perfect. Let's just wait for it to remove the background. Now let us review the magic behind this cool effect. Remember, we recorded the empty background without any objects in the frame. Now we're going to import it. Yes, we're going to fit it to the screen. And this is the real magic behind that disappearing bottle to reveal our cool products. And now we are going to mask the empty frame without any objects. Go to horizontal, then make sure you get the perfect masking. Yes, something like this. Now you are going to place it to the point when your hand enter into the frame. Just watch me closely. You're going to place it, yes, something like this. You're going to place it at that point when your hand is coming into frame. Now if you are getting something like this, don't worry, just go to layer, make sure the thing is revealing both clip, then you bring your hand into the first layer. Yes, something like this, just to overlap the masking. Okay, let me show you. Yes, so our empty frame is behind the hand now. Now what we want to do now is to click on the empty frame and adjust the feather to make a smooth and seamless movement, something like this. While we are still on the masking, you're going to select keyframe and drag it down gradually as you move the playhead forward, just to hide the water bottle and review our product. Now please watch closely. I'm still on the empty frame. Yes, I'm still on the empty frame. You move forward a bit and drag it down. You move forward a bit and drag it down. Now remember that on our layer panel we have two clips: the video of the hand revealing the product and also the empty frame without any object in it. Now the one we are masking is the empty clip without any object in it, the empty backdrop without any object in it. Now remember I said that we are going to place hand revealing clip at the point or at the interval between the bottle and the product, just to make a cool and seamless transition. Now if you watch closely, you will notice that the moment my hand is leaving the frame, it is revealing the product. You can simply adjust it to get a perfect revealing video. Make sure you adjust it right. And that is it for the day. I hope you find this helpful. If it is helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to see more videos like this.